Hello mga kaibigan! Welcome po sa aking channel. Ayan. Oh, free umbrella, babe, oh.
Yeah.
Ayan. Photo day mini vlog mga kaibigan. Nandito po kami sa MacArthur Glen Designer Clothes Village. So, kakain po kami ng food. Of course, food po yung aming kakainin. Lacoste. Dito tayo doon ba? Ang ganda ng kanilang jacket. Ted Baker. This look nice, their jacket, oh. Parang maganda yung kanilang chocolate. Levi's. Oh, I think it's red. Oh, you can sit out, I think. You can sit down, oh. Yeah. Donuts, oh.
Donuts?
Ang lalaki ng donuts. Quite big, they're donuts. Oh, I like that one, mamaya. They're quite big, you know? The donut is massive.
4 pounds per donut.
Talaga?
4 pounds?
Mahal naman.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Quite high, isn't it? You gonna want to though?
Ah?
You gonna want to?
No, I'm malamig na already. If I wet, I'm gonna be very cold. Dito tayo. Ay, Five Guys. Ayan ang Five Guys. Would be nice if they put more like a food stuff, no?
Like McDonald's.
Like more choices of food court. Woo! Ayan. I'll have iced coffee for drinks. Nice this one, babe. It's nice this one.
What is it?
It's like a siopaw. Pork belly. Steam bun. Ayan po yung kanilang Ayan. Parang masarap, babe, oh. Oh, so this one, oh. Soup po tayo mga kaibigan. Kain po tayo mga kaibigan. Wait ko lang po si Briton. Nasa Wagamama po kami dito. Kumakain. I have some ramen, pork, barbecue, soup, and also like a steam bun with a beef on it. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Nilamon ko na po yung rice paper roll. Ang sarap. Naghihintay na lang po kami ng food ni Briton. Masarap, babe?
Hang.
Anghang? You can handle it? I'll have it. I'll eat it. Ayan po yung pagkain ni Briton. Ayan. Sa akin ito. Kain po tayo. Ay, si Briton, oh. Ayan. Kain po tayo mga kaibigan. Nagsastruggle si Brito sa kanyang chopstick. Masarap? Yeah. You like chicken tony?
Don't like chicken jam.
Better or not?
That's the advertised chicken jam.
Huwag ka na mag-reklamo, babe.
Ah,
Kasi
is it so before you sit this now? You need something to so before the seat this?
yeah, thank you. Sandok nila, oh. Ayan, tapos na po kami mag-lunch ni Breton sa Wagamama. Ayan, tapos ng Lomamon. Maganda dito pag ano, December time. No, babe, no? It's nice here in December time, no?
Yeah.
Lots of Christmas tree, daming decor. So, ikot-ikot muna kami ni Breton dito. Mahal kasi din dito yung mga ano, mga bilihin. Mahal, di ba?
Yeah.
O dito.
Yeah.
Look, there are flowers, autumn pink. Ang ganda ng ano nila, babe. Oh, it's like a autumn thing. Autumn theme.